మనతో పాటు అటర్నీ మధురిమ పటూరి గారు ఉన్నారు. ఒకసారి మాట్లాడదాం. హలో అండి.
హలో, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
బాగున్నాను. సో ఏంటండి, మా ఇండియన్స్ అందరూ కూడా మన వాళ్ళందరూ కొంచెం భయభ్రాంతులకు గురవుతున్నారు. ఒకసారి మీరే చెప్పాలి అసలు ఏంటి, ఏం నడుస్తుంది?
Well, I've been practicing for immigration long time, almost 20 years, I think that we are in a very sensitive timings right now, especially with how the site investigations are happening, ICE raids are happening, right? I think I just wanted to let you know that we all have to be educated more, aware about the laws, especially what are our rights, what are our regulations, what we need to follow anedi. At least couple of things andy. If you come across with a federal agent, it's a ICE gani, CBP gani, any federal agent that you come across with, make sure that you have all your documents with you, right? Whatever status you are in, even if you are a US citizen, carry the citizenship card, or if you are green card, permanent resident card, or if you are on the H1 F1, make sure that you have copy of your passport and copy of your immigration status, show that we are legal here, right? And sometimes the officers may not ask, but you need to be prepared how to approach them. Okay, you have every right to remain silent. So a lot of these rights not only for the US citizens, but it applies to anybody who is living on the land of the United States. Okay, regardless of the what status it is, we all can remain silent if we don't want to talk about it. You have a right to ask for a lawyer. Okay, if you don't want to talk and represent yourself at that moment, you can say that I have a lawyer, please talk to my lawyer. Okay, and you also can ask for if they have a warrant or no. Okay, if they don't have a warrant, they don't have to approach to you and you don't have to talk to them.
ఇప్పుడు జీసీ కాకుండా వేరే స్టేటస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇండియా వెళ్తే పరిస్థితి ఏంటంటారు? ప్రెసెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ మీరైతే ఏం సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారు?
It's depend. First of all, evarni elladane cheptanu unless it's an emergency. But we all have our families back, right? We have to go if we need to go. Of course, especially if somebody needs a stamping, this year is not a great year. It started, as we all know, that in the late November or early December, lot of visas have started canceling because both the Department of State and the USCIS want to look into it, your social media windows and everything, so it's taking time for them to find each persons and vetting them to make sure that they don't have anything background, so I think that that's one of the cause. A lot of visa interviews are cancelled and rescheduling, but when you look at the recent news, there's nothing is even available in 2026. I have a lot of doctors who are an emergency need that they need to come back. They got stuck back in the country right now.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.